New at 5 o'clock, a judge rules body camera footage related to an incident involving the Greensboro City Manager and his daughters will be released to the City Council.
The City Council petitioned the court to release part of the footage to only them. WFMY News 2's Amber Lake was in court today. Amber, is there a possibility the footage could be released to the public?
So there is a possibility, but we won't know that decision until next Monday. An attorney there today representing the Greensboro Police Officers Association says he hopes to show the judge next week that there is compelling public interest to release the tape to everyone.
We're treating this petition like any petition for disclosure of BWC. Doesn't matter whether it's this case involving the city manager or otherwise. Our position has always been that if there is a request to release body-worn camera footage, we want full release, unedited, not taken out of context, and we want it to go to the public.
Now here's how we got to this point. Police records show officers responded to City Manager Taiwo Jayoba's home on December 28th for what they called a family disorder. The report says the city manager and his two adult daughters all had apparent minor injuries. The city manager was seen just a couple days after the incident in a sling, though we aren't sure if it was related to this incident. 911 calls from that night gave little insight into what might have happened.
He's trying to say that I hit him and pushed him and his arm is broken. He's a very powerful man.
We tried to talk with the city manager last week. His office rejected our request. Greensboro Mayor Nancy Vaughn says there's no active law enforcement investigation. She released a statement saying in part, "I have not received any information to cause me to call into question Mr. Jayoba's character or fitness to serve as city manager. I consider this to be a family matter and Mr. Jayoba is entitled to privacy just as any family experiencing similar circumstances." Now next Monday, another judge will decide on whether the footage will be available to the public, but can also rule to not release it. The Greensboro Council members I reached out to today tell me they haven't received the footage just yet.